back to the Teacher's Toolbox. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that has everyone talking: artificial intelligence in education. AI is powerful, but let's be real, it can't do it all. In fact, there are 5 big reasons why AI will never replace teachers. And stick around until the end because we've got a bonus reason that might surprise you. If you love actionable tips for teaching, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to stay ahead in your teaching journey. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Reason number 1, emotional connection. Teachers create emotional connections. AI can't look into a child's eyes and say, "I believe in you." Teachers understand the emotional needs of students, helping them feel seen, valued, and motivated. Learning isn't just about facts and figures. It's about relationships, and no algorithm can replace the warmth of human connection. Reason number 2, adaptability in real time. One thing teachers are really good at is adapting to different situations, and that is why teachers adapt in real time. For example, every classroom is different, and students learn in unique ways. While AI follows programmed rules, teachers can pivot on the spot. Whether it's re-explaining a concept, managing unexpected disruptions, or adjusting to diverse learning styles. Flexibility is a superpower only humans have. Reason number 3, creativity and inspiration. Teachers bring creativity and inspiration, and that comes from the heart, mind, and soul of a teacher. Sure, AI can spit out facts, but can it turn a history lesson into an epic storytelling adventure? Teachers inspire curiosity and passion for learning by making lessons engaging and memorable. That spark of creativity? It's pure human magic. Reason number 4, ethical and moral guidance. Teachers guide students morally and ethically. Teachers also model proper behavior in the classroom. Beyond academics, teachers help students navigate life's big questions. What's the right thing to do? How do I treat others? AI might analyze data, but it can't teach empathy, integrity, or character. That's a uniquely human responsibility. Reason number 5, building a sense of community. Teachers build communities. Classrooms aren't just places to learn, they're places to belong. Teachers foster teamwork, friendships, and a sense of safety. AI might assist with individual tasks, but it can't replicate the vibrant, interconnected community a teacher creates. And lastly, our bonus reason, the human touch. At the end of the day, learning is a deeply personal journey. Students remember the way a teacher made them feel, how they celebrated achievements or supported them through struggles. AI may provide tools, but the heart of education will always belong to teachers. So, there you have it. 5 reasons, and a bonus, why AI will never replace teachers. AI is a great tool, but it will always be just that, a tool. If you agree, click like to show your support for amazing teachers. And don't forget to subscribe to the Teacher's Toolbox for more tips, insights, and inspiration. And let us know in the comments on how do you see AI helping but not replacing teachers in the classroom? And make sure to click on the link in the description to order your very own Teacher's Toolbox. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And as always, happy teaching.